Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. And today I'm gonna actually unbox this new Visa. It's a Cibc Aventura Infinite Privilege Card. Is that the name? Just wanna double check. Yeah, Visa Infinite Privilege Card. It's a new card that Cibc just invited me. They said that I'm actually eligible to get upgraded to this card because I used to have this card here. I actually just crossed off my number, put text Gary V 212-931-5731. This is a plug for Gary V. Okay, in the back, I actually kind of forged a signature there, but yeah, it looks pretty good actually. That's what Marco said. So, all right, so I'm gonna unbox the new card. I don't know what kind of card it is. I didn't ask any questions or anything like that. Apparently it looks really nice. I don't know if it's metal, so let's check it out. And I'm also gonna go over all the incentives and why I chose to go with this card, because I applied and got approved for the Amex card, the Platinum Edition, and the card was not accepted with a lot of the places where I use it. For example, my business, I spend a lot of money on social media, I spend a lot of money on ads on Facebook, and Facebook doesn't accept Amex here in Canada, but they do in the US. So the card really didn't make sense for me because I wouldn't have been able to utilize all my points, because the whole purpose of getting a card like this is that I spend a lot of money on my credit card on my business expenses. So I just want to make sure that I use the points to travel, and I want to travel for free because it makes sense. So it makes sense to make sure that you find the best card. And do me a favor, if you can actually comment in the comments section and tell me the card that you like. Maybe there's another card that I don't know about that is better than this, and I may go for it. But for now, because I bank with CIBC and they actually have something called CIBC Smart Plus account. So with this account, you actually get a premium CIBC credit card fee rebate. The rebate is only $120, and this card that I got is $499, I believe, a year. So, but plus, yeah, so earn 50,000 Aventura points when you spend 3,000 or more during your first 4 monthly statement periods. Yeah, there's a lot of really cool incentives here. 3 points for every dollar you spend on travel purchase through CIBC Reward Center. So I booked a lot of my flights with this card, and it's been pretty good so far, great experience. 2 points for every $1 spent eligible dining, entertainment, transportation, gas, and groceries. And then 1.25 points on every $1 spent on other purchases. So this old Aventura card that I have, it's still a Visa Infinite card. I was getting, here, let me pull it up here. Okay, so 2 points, I'd get 2 points for every dollar spent through travel purchase through CIBC Reward Center, 1.5 points for every $1 spent on gas stations, grocery stores, and drugstores, and 1 point for all other purchases, which now I'm gonna get 1.25 points. And when you do the math, I am gonna get extra points, and this card does make sense for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Let me just grab the scissors here. I'm gonna hide my credit card information this time. So actually looks a lot better than the Platinum. Much better packaging. I'm gonna open this first because text Gary and tell him I give you his number. Okay, that's how it looks like. Oh, and I dropped everything. No, this is not metal. It's more harder. It's a harder plastic. Yeah, I don't think this is metal. I could be wrong. I don't know what kind of material this is, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's like a hard plastic. I'll see if I can take this sticker off for you guys. Not a bad card. Looks nice. So yeah, so apparently CIBC or Visa Infinite here, they partnered up with Nexus. So speed up your border crossings with 2 Nexus application fees rebates every 4 years. Access business class bookings exclusive to this card to your next getaway. Unwind before your flight, access to 1,200 airport lounges with a priority pass membership and 6 complimentary lounges visits per year, which isn't bad. I never go to these lounges, to be honest. I'd rather just go to Burger King and get a burger. Enjoy dedicated taxi and limo services, exclusive dining and wine experiences, VIP benefits and luxury hotels, and more with Visa Infinite Privilege. I don't think I'll be using that. Save on car rentals. Yes, I'll probably use that. Get up to 25% of auto rentals at participating Avis and budget locations worldwide when you pay with your Aventura card. Experience true quality. So apparently it is a metal card that mirrors the exceptional privileges it comes with. I don't know if this is metal. It is pretty hard, like, but just feels like hard plastic. So again, I did get a special invite for this card, and this is the old one. Looks a lot nicer. I want to know what you guys think about this card, or if you guys have any recommendations or any cards that you recommend to anyone. Just comment in the comment section and just interact with everybody and tell me what you guys think and what credit cards make sense to get. But remember, don't max your credit card. And this credit card actually has a limit, but the Platinum Amex card didn't. But again, I don't really spend, whatever I spend, I make sure I have. So I'm not the type of person to just overspend on stupid shit. So just, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit me up. Adios. Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.